So you do not even know that you can get paid to chat with people. Oh, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Self Hustle. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you. And if you have not, please do well to subscribe, because on this channel we review money website that will pay you to make money online, and we talk about gadgets that are actually affordable for you to use to start making money online. So, beautiful people, in this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make money simply by chatting. A couple of months ago, I made a video about rent a friend, cyber friend, how people will actually pay you to chat, and a lot of people have a lot of questions to ask. Like, the video got a lot of views, and people were asking questions here and there, and I decided to create another video that will actually help you to make money by chatting. If you open your TikTok account, you see that a lot of black ladies are actually marrying a lot of white men. The question is, where do they meet them? So as usual, this is the screen of my phone. I'll open my Chrome browser here, and I will type in e-moderators. E-moderators is spelled as E, then moderators. E-moderators. It will be the first link that you will see. You click on it. Now, when we click on it, we have to go through the website to know what this particular website is about. It says looking to work from home. E-moderators offers you the chance to earn money or income from your home. So they offer you the chance to earn money from home. You don't even need an office space. You don't need to be in a location for you to start making money on this website. With the highest rate you can find, up to 24 euros. Oh my God, this website will pay you 24 euros cents per message. Hey, this website is actually legit. They will pay you up to 24 euro cents per message. So when we scroll down, it says, what do we offer? Now we are taking a look at what they offer. They offer that you choose your own hours. That is the flexibility. Like I said, you choose your own hours. Like I said, flexibility of time. So they also offer competitive salary. You understand? Their rates are actually way better than other websites. That's according to what they're saying here. Then the next thing is freedom of work. It means you can work from anywhere you are in the world. It doesn't matter whether you have an office space or you do not have an office space. You can work from anywhere you are in the world. So when you come down here, it says, what is progressive pay? Progressive pay, it's simple. The more messages you write, the more money you will earn. Hey, me like this, I don't even have a job. I can type for Africa. So if you are like me that can type for Africa, this website is for you. You understand? This website is for you. The more you type, the more you respond to people. Message you on Facebook, people you don't even know, and then you reply them. You don't even know that there is a space for you to make money by replying those messages. Now here you have it, e-moderators. So it says the average earnings are 350 euros per week. So if you calculate it, multiply by 350 that you'll be earning every week. That's over 350k just to chat. If you are not even earning up to the 350, let's say you are earning $100 or 100 euros, that's over 100,000 naira, and they pay you every month, every week. They pay you every week, depending on how you can chat, depending on where and where that you can chat. So when you go back, it says you only need a Wi-Fi, a laptop, and a phone. To this particular website is that they require you to have a laptop. Well, we know the trick here. If you do not have a laptop, just come straight to your Chrome browser, click on this three button here, or this red icon here, then you turn it to desktop side. That is the trick. Turn it to desktop side, and they will see your system or your phone like a laptop. So now when you scroll down, it says they also train you. Now their training doesn't take long, but the fact still remains that you have to pass through their training process. It also says that you can work at the beach or anywhere you choose to work in the world. Progressive pays, like, what do they mean by progressive pays? The more you chat, the more money you make. You understand? The way you chat, the way you make money. There is no fixed amount of money that you can make in a month from day one. It means that from the day they accept you, bam, the day you start chatting like this, you start making money, because each message you send, you get paid to respond to each messages. So now when you say it's work from your hostel or from your background. Okay, now when we scroll down, we're going to see that what they do is actually we provide you with a personal tutor. So you don't have to worry yourself if you are a newbie on this website. They have a personal tutor for you. Once they accept you into this website, they will give you a personal tutor, someone that will train you, someone that you can always go and meet that if you have issues. So, and do not worry if you are black or Ghanaian or South African. The point is, can you type? Can you type? And the point also is, can you speak English? That is just all you need. So your nationality doesn't matter. The next thing here is they said very user-friendly system. So you don't have to be a tech guru, you don't have to be Fisayo Fisodu, you don't have to be Mo, you don't have to even be Misteki, you don't have to be any of them to start making money on this website, because their platform is actually user-friendly. Even if you don't know much, you'll be able to find your way around their system. The next thing is weekly payment bill. This website will pay you every week, although they deduct tax, so tax is necessary, but they will pay you every week. The next thing we have here is we are a trustworthy company. It means that they are actually trusted. Wherever you want, you can use their Trustpilot. You can even use Trustpilot to check their website. They're actually trustworthy. And these are what their moderators have to say. If you go down here, you will see that they have this fair girl as a moderator. Now, if you come down here, they have Peter, who is a black guy. Peter Piro Papipo, who is also a black guy, and he is a moderator. Then when you come down here, they have this other lady as well, who is actually a moderator, Linda. Then you come down here, you see a lot of them down. So that's just it. The next thing you have to do is to hit this 3 button, or you click on start today. So once you hit the start today, you go to the application, you fill in your details. The application is a little bit long, but if you want to make money, you push the application, because definitely if you are looking for jobs online, you send your CV, you send your cover letter, you send a whole lot of that. You understand? So this is actually what the application entails. It entails your name, your email address, your age. Please make sure you are above 18. It also entails your nationality, your country of residence. Select the country you want to apply to, like the type of people you want to be chatting with. If it's me, like me now, I'll chat with Oyinbo. I don't even want to be chatting with any black man. So the next thing you have is your Skype account. So your Skype account, it is not compulsory. So do not bother yourself if you do not have a Skype account. The next thing we have here is availability. How long or how often can you be available? Then what we have here is your work experience. Now, do not worry if you do not have any work experience. You can just make reference to those websites I've listed in the beginning of this video. You can go back to check those websites I listed in the beginning of this video to use as your work experience. You can use Rent a Friend, you can use Fiverr, you can use Cyberfriend as your work experience, and you can check from my videos those websites that I have that you can make money online by chatting. You sign up on them and you can use them here as your work experience, and then you hit the next button, and that is basically all you need to do. The next thing is you have to verify your email. So guys, let me know what you think about this website. If you're signing up on this website, what you think about their website and how you feel about it. But in the meantime, please do what, subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, give us a like. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to reply your messages, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.